Action.
On each side, there's a marker light. Now these are installed to make them US legal because it has to have a marker light on the outside. They're 2 Phillips. They screw right into the body. Hold on. And what you'll need to do, the end of the wiring harness on each light has 2 bullet connectors. You have to clip those off. That way you can pull the wire through the hole in the fender. And then you'll just have to replace the 2 bullet connectors. There's ample length of wire, so don't worry about cutting them off. You're not going to be too short. Now there's a factory blinker on each side, and in order to release those, you push them towards the front of the bumper and then pull them out, and they just have a spring clip on them that holds them in place. But locking them back in is the same thing. You put the spring clip side in first, and you just press it in, and you've reinstalled it. Now the last part on this front bumper is the mounting clips. This is the spacer so that they mount properly into the front of the car. You just remove those, they just clip in, and you just will slip those back into your new bumper cover. So that is one stripped front bumper cover.